Hi everyone, I'm Josh, and today I hope everyone is doing well because today I have something quite interesting I want to talk about, and I want to talk about Bareconnect. I want to talk about what it is, what it can do for you, how it works, and why Bareconnect. Why do we have to talk about Bareconnect? So first off, I like to talk about what it is, which is a website design platform, which is for every business and entrepreneur out there to use to promote their services, their product, and their blog. Easy, right? And it's quite beginner friendly, very, very beginner friendly. Anyone can pick it up and then they get to use it. You don't need to have any technical knowledge or so. So this is the website of the platform and you can see what it can be used for. You can use to design website for your brand. You can get to make people book your services online, and you can list on multiple platforms. Marketplaces, social commerce like Instagram, Facebook. You get to list your products wherever you want to list them, and you get to also customize the site to the color that you want, the branding, just anything at all that you want to do. And we have quite a number of connected apps which you can use on the daily if you are looking to extend the platform to do more than what you want to do for you. And yeah, so today we want to talk about we want to just get into how we can use it to set up a very simple website for ourselves. And this is what we are going to do. This is what we are going to do, right? A very beautiful website which can be used to sell your your makeup, and it's just straightforward. And so we are going to go through it. We are going to build with you, and I like for you to stick with me as we go through it. And by any chance, wherever you're watching the video, if you have any questions, I'm available. You can send me a message on social media, and you can also email us as well. So I'm going to put all that in the description of the video. So let's get into the video. So to get started, you need to, if you don't have an account, you need to sign up. I'm going to put a video link down below if you don't know how to get started by signing up. I'm going to put a video link for you to see how to sign up. If you have an account, you get to sign in. So I have an account, so I'm just going to go straight forward to the dashboard to show you what the dashboard is about. So when you sign in into the platform, this is your dashboard. This is everything that you get to see, everything about your website. You get to see how many visitors you've had in a lifetime, and you get to see the onboarding, some few things which can help you set up your website, and you get to see the visit by country, Ghana, United States, United Kingdom, Germany, and we have video tutorials down below. And over here is the menu where you get to use to go to other part of the platform. So we have the commerce, which is if you are into selling, that's where you go to upload your product. If you are into the services business where a lot of people book you or book your time, you want to sell your time, you've got knowledge that you want to talk to people about, like consultants, use all the big corporate words, then appointment is for you. And this is customers where you get to see all the people that have visited your website, have made purchase from you, have used your appointment service, or have subscribed to you. And we have the website bit, which is where all the goodies happen when it comes to editing and customizing your website. So this is going to be the first part of the video, and we are going to get into the part two, where we get to the part two, where we get to do this design, and we also get to add the payment bit, which we are going to do with Yoko. I'll talk about Yoko in the second video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the second video. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. All right.